Have you ever thought about how artificial intelligence has infiltrated our lives? I mean, it's no longer just a cool technology.
Not at all.
In hiring, finance, shopping, and even healthcare, everywhere.
Exactly.
Today at work, we have a lot of resources available. Articles, reports, notes. We decided to take a look at these.
It was actually a nice compilation.
Our goal is to extract the most striking points from this stack. From Entropic to Citi, to Meta's massive ventures and leadership philosophy.
A quite broad range.
Yes, we're going to delve into quite a topic. Meanwhile, this in-depth review was prepared with research and contributions from Yasar Atolye. Now, if you're ready, let's think about this artificial intelligence issue together.
Come on then. Indeed, artificial intelligence not only changes the way we work, but also seems to affect the way we think.
Yes, there is a transformation happening.
But this transformation doesn't just bring opportunities. There are serious questions and challenges as well. Our resources already show this too, both the potential and the areas that require caution.
Shall we start with hiring then? For example, there's a company called Entropic. They say, use artificial intelligence in your applications, don't hesitate, because even their own employees supposedly use tools like Claude every day.
It's actually reasonable. It's natural for him to prefer someone who knows the tool he uses.
But on the other hand, there's also the Korn Ferry report. It says that those who know artificial intelligence have good salaries, but the average job search duration has also skyrocketed. It's almost approaching 6 months.
Here's an interesting contradiction.
It seems to be the highest in the last 3 years. So it's like you're being searched for but can't be found. Isn't that confusing?
Absolutely. I mean, it's clear that it's very specific and AI capabilities are very valuable, like gold. But in the general market, it seems there is a pause, a restructuring.
It seems that there is a similar situation with finance.
Yes. For example, Citi. The economy is still known, but they announced profits above expectations in the second quarter. Their CFO, Mark Mason, also says that we are investing in artificial intelligence, increasing efficiency with tools like Citi Assist and Citi Stylist.
That means they make a difference with technology.
Exactly. There's also Nasdaq Verifin. They are also involved in fighting money laundering. I mean, in the area we call AML.
AML, isn't it about preventing illegal money from entering the system?
Yes, exactly. They have started using artificial intelligence workforce there. Digital workers, that is.
Wow.
There are also goals like scanning these sanctions lists, very tedious tasks.
Yes, it takes a lot of time.
They want to reduce the workload there by more than 80%. So they are using artificial intelligence not only to cut costs, but also for a significant competitive advantage and operational transformation.
It seems retail is getting its share. An ARK Invest report says SEO is over. AIO has begun.
AIO, what is it?
Agent-based optimization. So it will replace search engine optimization. AI agents like Perplexity's Comet will research products, compare them, and maybe even make purchases on your behalf.
I understand. So it won't be us, but AI agents working on our behalf will be conducting searches.
Exactly. This also means that retailers will now have to present their websites and product information in a language that these agents can understand. They say it's MCP compliant. Think of it as a kind of common language.
Interesting. Shopping habits could change fundamentally then.
Absolutely.
But of course, these advancements are not a bed of roses, are they? There are also risks.
Unfortunately. There has been a case in England where Anima Health's artificial intelligence mistakenly diagnosed a patient with diabetes.
Oh no, this is scary. It means that systems can still make mistakes, and serious mistakes.
Moreover, even giants are struggling. For example, Meta faced quite a few difficulties while developing the new Llama 4 model. Also, JP Morgan made a comment about OpenAI. GPT-4 was once the king.
Yes, everyone was talking about him.
Now they say that some models have fallen to around 95th place on certain lists. So even the best models can suddenly become ordinary. That's what they mean by the risk of commodification.
Competition is very fast.
This is also an incredibly expensive race. Meta's data center plan. Meta's size up to 5 gigawatts of energy. Can you imagine?
Unbelievable. Record investments are being made, so there is both incredible potential and huge risks and costs involved.
So what does it mean to be a leader in such an environment? How does leadership take shape? I think there was an article in Harvard Business Review.
Yes, it says, when you take over a new team, don't judge immediately. First be curious, try to understand, rely on data, and build trust.
Reasonable. An unbiased approach, I mean.
Exactly. Also, Stanton Chase has spoken with Rainer Althoff, the former Siemens Malaysia CEO. He also says that leadership in the digital age is above matter. That is, vision, ethics, technological literacy, and adaptation. These are essential.
That means just knowing technology is not enough.
Of course, it's not enough. A study by Boston Consulting Group also supports this. Leaders face a difficult balance. You have to cut costs and grow at the same time.
How will the two together be?
Those who succeed seem to do both. But how? By setting bold goals, acting quickly, and clearly distinguishing between cutting costs here and investing here.
I understand. Focus and determination are required.
Absolutely. There is even an example of Tim Cook in Fortune magazine. Even as Apple's CEO, the AI strategy can be questioned. The article says that falling behind in artificial intelligence could be like missing out on the internet in the early 2000s.
Wow, there's a lot of pressure on the leaders.
How about that?
It seems that artificial intelligence is really reshuffling everything from the business world to leadership, from our daily lives to our hopes for the future.
Exactly.
Today, the sources we looked at showed us both this incredible potential for efficiency and innovation, as well as the risks, costs, and perhaps most importantly, what is it? The need for human leadership that can harness this power correctly, someone sensible, with ethical values, and capable of adapting.
It was a very accurate summary. Today, we also tried to distill the highlights from many different sources for you.
Yes, I hope it has been helpful.
Shall we finish with a question for you to think about?
It will be wonderful.
So, artificial intelligence agents seem to be doing more and more work on our behalf, from shopping and analysis to perhaps diagnosis someday. In such a world, how do you plan to keep your decision-making, critical thinking, and human reasoning skills fresh and sharp?
Nice question. It's worth thinking about. The program At the Edge of Tomorrow has been prepared with contributions and research by Yasar Workshop. See you next week in the new episode of At the Edge of Tomorrow.